Y'all, so it's your girl Stella here once again, and as you all can see, we got some packages in that I have not even opened yet. But all in all, you see the title. And I really want to get into this because this one, let me tell you, it's just, the advertisement was just amazing. I hope y'all ready to see. Package is open. Y'all, so we really want to see what the material is going to look like and if the sizing is kind of true. So, right now I'm looking at these packaging. Now, this red dress that they kept flashing by there for me to buy, just like screaming all day every time I logged on to social media, I'm really going to try this one on because I don't need them to be playing with me like that. I'm going to show y'all what they look like, okay? I don't need them to be playing with me like that. And it better look good when I put it on. It better look almost decent, okay? But anyway, excuse my nails. I smashed my nail in the oven, so I can't get my nails done right now. So I don't want to hear all of that right now about how they just look a hot mess. I know they look bad, okay? They gotta heal because I'm clumsy. So this is exactly how the little red dress, the one that they showed us forever, and this is exactly how it looks coming out of the pack. We walk up just a little bit so you all can see. It is very, very wrinkled, but I will be steaming it before I wear it. But I just wanted to show you all what it looks like coming directly out of the bag, okay? Directly out of the bag. Now let me show y'all this little bow, because this little bow ain't said nothing. And this dip, let me show y'all this dip right here, it comes all the way down here. So you got to make sure that you got on one of those bras, those plunger bras or what have you. And because I'm such a stickler for how things lay, I would actually pin this bow down to where this bow is flat. And I probably would pin the dress down as well to my bra if I'm gonna wear a bra with it. These little buttons actually are functional little buttons back here. I don't really have a lot of help to be buttoning all these buttons, okay? Oh child, I bought this outfit right here in a large, and I don't know where I think I'm finna wear this to, because this ain't not the least bit of modest at all. But y'all, I just don't know, okay? I'm just not a fan of it. It's not horrible, but it's just not that good, okay? I wouldn't pay for it again at all. Now, material on this dress is but I ordered this in a large, so therefore I expected to have more than an extra small boob size. I don't really like how the boob area sits for me. It's just I need a limo room, just a limo room. That's all. I need a limo room, and that little, you know. But I do like the fact that it is on the drop waist style. Although it sits right under my stomach and just sit there and hold and hug my stomach down at the bottom. I don't like that, but so the green and white pants was probably the most comfortable. It is something that I would wear to a barbecue. The material on it isn't bad at all. I did buy them in a large, and they have really good room in them. Let me just go ahead and put in here, y'all. I'm 5'3". I'm about 163, 164 pounds, okay? So tidbit for the people that actually want to know what size I am. So moving on from the green and white spearmint peppermint pants, the little green peppermints, you know, like they used to give you in church. Old ladies used to have them peppermints in their bag, okay? And I used to want them because I was greedy. Here's my Stella opinion, okay? Would I buy from this company again? Perhaps, maybe one item or two items that I see from there. But as far as buying a haul from there, absolutely not. I don't see myself buying that because, like I said, they are on the more pricier end of affordable fashion. And so that's just my opinion. It's not a company that I would frequent unless I actually seen something that I really, really wanted. I would actually go in and buy that item, and that probably will be it. But that is an honest review. I was waiting patiently for this stuff to come in. Like, I was like, because I really just wanted to see that red dress. And yeah. Nah. So I got a question for you. Yep. Have you ever tried this company? What are your thoughts? Because see, I only ordered about 4 or 5 items. So can I legit say that the company is good or bad? Perhaps not, because I only have about 4 or 5 pieces to actually try. But all of us together, if you tried them, let me know what you think about the company. And also let me know what you actually tried to get from that company or whatever. And let me know. Chime in. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. Y'all like, subscribe, all of that. And just stick around with Stella. I'm only going to get better, baby. Stick around with Stella. I'm only going to get better. All right? Thanks again for tuning in.